Question number 15, exercise 5.2. We have given two APs. AP, suppose it is AP1, it is AP2, and for these two APs, for what value of n, are the nth term of two APs are equal. It is given the nth term of two APs are equal. We have to find the value of n. For first AP, I am denoting its first term by A1 and it is 63. 63 is the first term of first AP and I am denoting by A1. I am taking symbol A1 for first term, and common difference is denoted by D1 and it is 65 minus 63, it will be 2. So these are the data for first AP, first term and common difference. For second AP, suppose its first term is B1. B1 I am taking the symbol for the first term and it is 3. And the common difference is 2. Here I am doing some change. I am taking A2 symbol for the first term of second AP. Okay. And A2 is 3. A2 means the first term of second AP. Okay. A2 is 3 and D2 is common difference of second AP. 10 minus 3. 10 minus 3 is 7. 10 minus 3 is 7. Is the common difference of second AP. So these are the data for first AP and these are the data for second AP. First term of the two APs are denoted by A1, A2 and their common differences are denoted by D1 and D2. And it is given nth term as per question. Nth term of AP1 equal to nth term of AP2. Okay, nth term of AP1. We can express nth term of AP1 A1 plus n minus 1 into D1. We know formula nth term A plus n minus 1 into D. For first AP, it is we have the symbol of first term A1, so we write as A1, and for common difference we write D1. So A1 plus n minus 1 into D1 is the format for nth term of first AP. Similarly, for second AP, we write A2 plus n minus 1 into D2. Write the value of A1, D1, A2, D2. A1 is 63, n minus 1 and D1 is 2, A2 is 3 and D2 is 7. 63 minus 3 by transposing 3 in LHS, minus 3 becomes minus 3 and the whole expression n minus 1 times 2, this can be taken RHS. n minus 1 into 7 minus n minus 1 into 2. Okay. Also, we can do the transposition process by after opening the bracket, like 63, open the bracket, 2n minus 2, 3 plus. We can do the calculation in any way. 63 minus 2, we get 61 plus 2n equal to 7, and 3 minus 7, we get minus 4. Sixty-one plus 4 equal to 7n minus 2n. 65 equal to 5n, and 65 upon 5 equal to n equal to 13. 5 is 5 and 5 is 15. N equal to 13. It means 13th term of these two APs will equal.